haven't eaten yet, so I don't think I should have any coffee because it always gives me a really bad headache. But I love the way they designed this place. Let me show you. So pretty. Okay, I'm using my phone as a microphone, so I hope you can hear me. But if you are like me, who likes to go to cafes but not be surrounded by people, I suggest you come between like morning-ish time. So like if it opens, like come during opening time, so 11ish. When it gets to around 1:30ish is when people who are working in the area actually come for their lunch break here, or come for dessert after their lunch break. So that's when it gets really busy on weekdays. This is like, I usually go on weekdays to cafes. Between 1:30, 2:30ish is when you will have the most people, and then 2:30 onwards is when you will have no people again. And then at around 5 p.m. is when people finish work and they come to a cafe to hang out with their friends or go on dates and stuff. So that's my pro tip. That's something I've noticed about the cafe culture. I just ordered a souffle and they actually make them like from scratch. They were like, it's gonna take 20 minutes to make. So I'm really excited. I've had their souffle before and it was really good. The cafe that I wanted to initially go to is quite crowded, and I always feel kind of bad when I'm just by myself and there's only a couple of tables like free. So I'm gonna wait till that dies down. I'm actually gonna go to Doturi, which is a really cute like Studio Ghibli inspired cafe. I've been here before and it's like 2 seconds down the road. So it turns out there was a slight waiting time, so only 5 minutes, and I guess what is like 2:30. So I thought people who would have come here on the lunch break would have gone back to work, but I think it's either people took the day off, but it's such a nice day today, so I totally understand why everyone's like out. But yeah, I'm gonna get this green juice that they do really well here, and it's all freshly made on site. And then am I gonna get a snack? We'll see. The views are crazy, let me show you. So right now I'm in the like games room. This is a very cool office. I can just picture people like coming here to relax at lunchtime. Back there is the canteen, so like after lunch you can come and play some pool, play some foosball. This is very like man hole? No, what's the word? Man cave. This is a man cave for sure.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 맘을, 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 내 자신이 너무
Whenever I get new flowers, I like to just put them out by the window so they can soak up as much sunlight as they can. It looks so nice. I love the color that it brings to my room. So something that a lot of people kind of want to get, oh, hello. When you get a loft apartment, it gets so stifling hot in here. Obviously, I have 2 windows. Get sunlight streaming in, which is, oh my God, I wouldn't change it for the world. But you do get a lot of heat trapped in the apartment. To buy a fan, once I go to sleep, I'm gonna bring it up with me. Okay guys, don't let the breeze fool you. It's actually extremely hot. I have like a sweat mustache. I don't know if you can see on camera. You can definitely see it in the mirror. But basically we are in Seongsu right now. If you don't know Seongsu, it's a industrial area. So you'll see car repair shops and all that good stuff. They call it the Brooklyn of Seoul, and I talked about this in my last video, but basically like a lot of these places are, like I said, industrial areas, and then some cafes and other businesses moved into the area, so it became kind of more hip and up and coming area. So because there's these big like spaces, a lot of brands actually have their pop-up events in this area. So I'm currently trying to find the Dior pop-up. There should be somewhere around here.
Thinking about the way we just why. Thinking about the way we yeah. 잠시 멈춰서 너와 내 가난 눈말 생각해.
Oh my goodness. They gave me a little goodie bag. But oh my goodness, I smell delicious. They've had so many like testers and samples and stuff. I smell like a walking flower. And you know a pop-up is good when you are literally walking around and you're like, how do I get out? Like, there was an area where you can actually buy the products, you can try out the products, and it was all so beautiful. I love anything floral, so if you have the time and if you're in Seoul, definitely go check it out.
한숨 속에 섞인 감정들이 멜상 마주치며 교차하며 갈피를 못 잡듯이 갈피를 못 잡듯이 또 지나가는 길 이 짧고 긴 시간 동안 주변 모습이 다 달라져 있어도 목적지는 항상 같아 Maybe you can feel the pressure that I've been living on I can say that it's been on my mind But I'm moving along 스쳐 지나가는 불빛 속에 흩어져